Alden Richards and Kathryn Bernardo spotted and secretly dating? Totoo nga ba? Let's watch this! Hi there! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Celebrity Facts. Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got some juicy gossip that's sure to get your attention. We're diving into the world of Filipino showbiz to spill the tea on none other than Alden Richards and Kathryn Bernardo. Rumor has it they've been spotted together, sparking whispers of a secret romance. Are you ready to uncover the truth behind these star-studded sightings? Let's dive in and see what's really going on.
Isipin, pwede ba ako iyong tingin sa reason mo na rin? Mabagal ang puso kapag
Alden Richards and Kathryn Bernardo have been the subject of much speculation about a possible romantic relationship in 2024. While they have not explicitly confirmed dating, there are several signs that suggest. Alden has been spotted at multiple important events in Kathryn's life recently, including her birthday celebration in Palawan and a surprise post-birthday party organized by her glam team. His presence at these intimate gatherings has fueled rumors. Videos and photos of Alden and Kathryn engaging in sweet interactions like deep conversations with the sunset and ocean in the background have circulated online, making fans swoon. Kathryn's mother, Min Bernardo, is said to approve of Alden, further hinting at a budding romance. Alden has expressed his support for Kathryn as she embraces her single life after breaking up with Danielle Padilla in late 2023. He described her as a coming out of her shell and deserving of happiness. Both actors have been open to reuniting for a sequel to their 2019 Hello Love Goodbye movie. Director Kathy Garcia Sampana confirmed a part 2 has been in the works, which is the Hello Love Again. Alden's admiration for Kathryn. Alden has been vocal about his admiration for Kathryn, both as an actress and as a person. In an interview, he praised Kathryn's talent and professionalism, saying she's one of the best actresses of her generation. I'm always in awe of her dedication and skill. Alden has also expressed his respect for Kathryn's strength and resilience, especially after her breakup with Danielle Padilla. He said, Kathryn is everything with such grace and maturity. She is an inspiration to all of us. Kathryn's appreciation for Alden. Kathryn, on the other hand, has also shown her appreciation for Alden. In a recent interview, she said Alden is such a kind and generous person. He is always there for me, whether it's for work or just as a friend. also praised Alden's acting ability, saying he's an amazing actor, and I'm so lucky I've worked with him. I can't wait to see what he does next. Fans' reactions. Fans of both Kathryn and Alden have been eagerly following the developments in their relationship. Many have expressed their support for the pair, with some even creating fan art and videos celebrating their chemistry. However, some fans have also been cautious about jumping to conclusions, reminding others that Kathryn and Alden may simply be good friends and colleagues. The future of their relationship. Despite the ongoing speculation, Kathryn and Alden have remained tight-lipped about the nature of their relationship. They have both emphasized that they are focused on their careers and are not rushing into anything. However, with the upcoming sequel to Hello Love Goodbye in the works, fans are hopeful that they will get to see more of Kathryn and Alden's on-screen chemistry in the near future. Here's our conclusion. Alden has been careful not to overspeak about her personal life with Kathryn, saying what you see is what you get and that not everything needs to be publicly posted on social media. Kathryn's friend and director Kathy Garcia Sampana also cautioned that frequent togetherness does not automatically mean they are courting. Kathryn's friend and director Kathy Garcia. In the end, while Alden and Kathryn's closeness is undeniable, they seem keeping the real nature of their relationship private for now. In the end, while Alden, fans will have to wait for an official confirmation from the two stars themselves. And let's wait for the sequel of their upcoming movie, Hello Love Again. What's your thoughts about Kathryn Bernardo and Alden Richard spotted and secretly dating? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.